Sir Handel had been naughty, so the Fat Controller made him stay in the shed for a while. Peter Sam was now busier than ever. He had to do Sir Handel's work as well as his own. He was very excited, and the fireman found him hard to handle. Anyone would think that he wanted to work, said Sir Handel, who was lonely and bored. All respectable engines do, replied Skarloey. Keep calm, Peter Sam, and you'll do well. But Peter Sam was in such a state that he couldn't listen. He collected some coaches and went on his way.
Stupid things, he grumbled. They're all scared of coming with me. You're too reckless, said Caldy. That's why. Rubbish. I'm up to date, that's all. I can go twice your speed in perfect safety. All the same, we don't take such risks on mountain railways. There's no risk. Why, with my superheat... Oh, interrupted Caldy. It's superheat, is it? I'd have said it was conceit myself. Lord Harry was slipping furiously away.
Looks like we'll have to make up time. We better make a run for it and have to miss the stops. The passengers will understand. Yes, I guess. Hee hee! Rex laughed. It's showtime! Rex's wheels went faster and faster as he raced down the line. He came to one of the stations. Instead of stopping, Rex raced right through it, leaving the passengers both on and off the train very confused. Wasn't that supposed to be a stop? They wondered. Why didn't you stop? Called another crossly, but Rex was determined to reach top speed. His driver was focused too on trying to make up for the lost time. Then they came to another station. But to his driver's surprise, ahead of them was Jock. The passengers saw this too and called out to Rex. The signalman saw this and raced to switch the points to transfer Rex onto the passing loop. Jock was surprised. Down the line he saw Mike with a bounce train. Whistle. Out of the way! He called. Mike stopped just as Rex thundered by. Hey, you took my path! Mike yelled, but Rex was out of earshot. He soon passed Bert, the Blister twins, and Sigrid, feeling very proud of himself as he arrived at the first station safe and sound. I did it, he whistled proudly. I wonder how I did in comparison to Scott.
Phew, said the teacher, just in time for tea. It was the best school trip ever, cried the children. The Fat Controller wasn't cross with Rheneas. He was happy too. You gave the children a wonderful trip. You really are a very useful engine. Oh, thank you, sir, puffed Rheneas proudly. Rheneas didn't feel like a little engine anymore.